Hello, this is LLSKLL with the unboxing of Points2Shop or something from Points2Shop. It just came in today. Took about like a week and a half to get here, but it was worth it though. Opening it. Came from FedEx. I thought it was UPS, but I was wrong. And as I am opening it, I'll give y'all a drum roll of quietness. And a lot of paper. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh! Wow! They gave me a big box just for this little tiny thing. Ooh, skateboard rail.
Grind rail, 7 feet long.
Yeah, so, yeah, it's heavy. Really heavy. Not cool heavy. Can crush a baby heavy. It took a while to get this. It was probably like a month. But it's all worth it. It was like $50. Oh, and as you can see, it came from Amazon.com. 48890. Yeah, but it's all worth it at the end. Points2Shop. Now that I got it open, I can take all the stuff out. The 1080 rail. Throw it over there. Look at all that. These are the things to put it together or hold it up. Throw it over there. And then, oh crap! Okay, gotta lay it down. This small thing came out of that. It's like a freaking humongous plasma screen in there. But what comes out is this. Yeah, but there's the rail, long, and no homo, and like there's the stuff for it and all that. At the bottom, keep it still. A lot of tape and junk and papers and plastic and all that. But yeah, as you can see, there's the rail. $52 off of Amazon, but it was free because of Points2Shop. And let's get that sock out the way. And yeah, my sock too. Join Points2Shop. It's real.